there, everyone. Good morning. I'm talking to some birds here. I sound insane, but you know, God's beautiful creation. Thankful for them. Hey, birds. See that? I'm trying to do an interview with them like I do with Tilly, but I don't know. At least they're not giving me death stares. Just kidding, Tilly's. I love my Tilly. It's just kind of hot out here today, so I'm just talking to the birds. Hey, birds. Hey, birds. Hey. They're like, what's YouTube? How you doing, birds? One just flew by. Hey, what's up? I saw a blue jay and a cardinal earlier. And a robin. It was like right there. But it's gone now. It's like very close. I felt like one of those Disney princesses. You know, listening to George Harrison swinging and singing and swinging along to it. And is that a bird? Birds. Anyways, yeah, so I felt a bit like a Disney princess, but you know, I always feel like it's a message of just love to hear birds, you know? It just fills my heart with joy, and it's the little things, as they say. It is. I mean, some of these birds are big, but you know what I mean. Anyways, hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. Peace and love. The birds are saying subscribe to Wow My Guinea Pig Gently Weeks. Good idea, birds. I agree. For more smiles. Agreed. They say they agree.